Hey guys, welcome to the Actum channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can enable dark mode on YouTube. So in this case, all you have to do, just right click on your uh, any space like here or here. Just right click from your mouse, then you'll find here personalize. Just click on this. Okay, then go to colors. Then you'll find here things. Choose your color, which is already chosen dark. Let's see. If I see in my YouTube now, you can see my YouTube is now already in dark. So if I choose light, it will be light. Whole computer according to YouTube. Along with, okay, you can see that's now light. If I now click on dark again, now YouTube will be dark. If I refresh this, see, YouTube is now dark. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.